We've enlisted the help of astronomer Jason Kendall to give us the best preview of what to see in the sky this January.
So, Jason, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it.
It's great to be back.
And first of all, if you want to do some amateur astronomy, so you don't need this big expensive thing. You're going to be telescope. You're going to be talking about stuff that either binoculars or the naked eye you can see.
Absolutely. Binoculars, the things you have in your closet right now are perfect for what we're going to be talking about.
Winter Hexagon.
Yes, the great Winter Hexagon. This is when I teach classes, I always try to teach this one. There are 6 stars that make up the January sky that are really bright. And this constellation of stars begins at the south, really close to the horizon, near Rigel, and goes all the way overhead to Capella. And there's, of course, right in the middle of the Winter Hexagon is Betelgeuse. It's an enormous constellation. Everything's about a fist's arm's length away. When you hold your fist at arm's length, that's how far apart the stars are. So from the horizon all the way overhead.
If you see Betelgeuse 3 times, what happens?
You got to watch out for that.
Then you're in trouble. Okay, let's talk about Jupiter. Where do you look in the night sky to see Jupiter right now?
Okay, so first you got to find the belt of Orion. So you find the 3 stars of the belt of Orion, and then you dip down, you'll see Rigel. You see Sirius close to the horizon. Now, way off to the east, rising after Orion's up after about an hour or so, then you'll see a bright, bright, bright thing that's almost as bright as Sirius in the sky, and that's Jupiter. And the neat thing, the way you can tell a planet in the sky, is hold your hand out at arm's length and close one eye and pass your thumb across it. And when you do that, Jupiter will dim out, whereas a star will wink out.
Yeah, because stars twinkle and planets don't.
Exactly.
And then also, it's prime viewing early January for this comet that everybody's excited about.
That's right, Comet Lovejoy, which is a wonderful thing.
Oh, yeah.
That's right. And my wife and I went out on New Year's Eve and we saw Comet Lovejoy from Inwood Hill Park. It was a great way to spend it. But Comet Lovejoy is getting brighter and brighter and brighter. It's a good thing for it to go out and check out with an amateur club, or even just take your binoculars out and look out in the night sky, and just right below the foot of the giant of Orion, right below Rigel. So it's climbing up in the sky, and so it should get pretty visible. People are saying that if you're in a really dark sky, you can actually see it without a telescope.
All right. Jason Kendall, thanks so much for waking up with us.
Thank you.